Creative and fun learning, story dominoes, with picture tiles. In a bustling school, on a Friday afternoon, the creative and fun learning session was about to begin. The air was thick with excitement as the class of lively 6 to 8-year-olds gathered around a table, loaded with colorful dominoes and picture tiles. Today, Mrs. Setti announced, we'll be playing a special game called Story Dominoes. One by one, the children reached into the box and pulled out picture tiles, each featuring a unique and captivating scene: a princess in a tower, a lost kitten, an astronaut, and more. The first tile was placed onto the table. It showed a brave knight riding his horse towards the princess's tower. Suddenly, the little girl across from the brave knight placed her tile. It showed a fearsome dragon blocking the knight's path to the tower. The children gasped as they watched the scene unfold. The next tile showed the daring knight battling the fearsome dragon. The children leaned in closer to see how he would defeat this formidable foe. The following tile revealed the victorious knight standing tall, his sword raised high, as the defeated dragon retreated into the sky. The children erupted in cheers as they had saved the princess. The next tiles showed the knight entering the princess's tower and presenting her with a bouquet of flowers. They danced together in celebration before setting off on adventures across the land. Suddenly, the game took an unexpected turn as the next tile showed a wicked witch brewing a dark potion in a shadowy forest. The children huddled together, unsure of what would happen next. The next tiles showed the brave knight discovering a magical potion hidden deep within the forest. He drank it and transformed into a strong and powerful dragon. With his newfound strength, the brave dragon confronted the wicked witch and demanded she release the princess. She laughed menacingly before releasing a cloud of dark smoke. The next tiles showed the fierce dragon unleashing a stream of flames against the witch, who cowered and retreated in fear. The princess was saved once more, and the children cheered with delight. The last tile revealed the wicked witch being captured by brave knights and led away in chains. The princess was reunited with her family, and they lived happily ever after, forever cherishing their adventures together. The children left school that day filled with excitement and creativity, eager to play story dominoes again. They learned about teamwork, problem-solving, and the power of imagination, all while having fun.